Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So today I have yet another exciting recipe for you. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. So let's begin with this really cute and quick recipe. I'm starting with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar substitute. Please don't use the white sugar substitute. It comes out really well with the brown one. And now I'm putting in 1 tablespoon of butter. Of course, I should have softened it, which I haven't, and you'll see what will happen to my spoon. A splash of vanilla extract, and there you go. Not a good idea. So 20 seconds in the microwave. I'm just blitzing it. And you'll see why I should have done this in the first place. As my next ingredient is going to be 1/4 of a teaspoon of gelatin. Now the gelatin is also very important to the recipe as that's what gives it the chewy texture. And it's good I warmed up the mixture because the gelatin works better in a warm liquid. Now I'm going to add my almond flour and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of that. And now a pinch of baking soda and a pinch of salt. And we're going to give this all a good mix. I'm sorry the video got a little cut off. So there was a pinch of baking soda and a pinch of salt. And I brought it all into a dough and add about 10-15 pieces of your favorite chocolate chip, sugar-free chocolate chips into it. And just keep mixing it so that everything comes together into a nice dough. Now I'm going to make the cookie in this bowl. You can also use a microwave safe bowl, and I've spread it out a bit and flattened it to about 1/4 of an inch of thickness. If any of the chocolate chips roll out, just see that you put them in the center. And it's going to go into the microwave for a minute or maybe a minute and a quarter. You'll see that it'll spread out a little. Do not try to pull this out of the bowl right now. Put it into the refrigerator for about 15 minutes and then it will release beautifully. Look at this beauty. A lovely 1-minute chocolate chip cookie for your sugar craving, to have with a cup of coffee. Absolutely amazing. I hope you'll make this recipe and I'll see you in my next recipe. Bye then.